Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to copy and paste columns in Notepad++. So first thing is just simply open the application. So now from here guys, let's say I'm going to copy this item over here. So just simply select or tap out on your keyboard to have this highlighted over here. And now you could just simply go ahead and right click on it and just simply copy. Now from here guys, let's say I'm going to add it over here. So just simply tap on your keyboard out and you can highlight it over here. And now from here, once you have highlighted a specific part, right click on it and select paste. And from here, we just paste it over here. So now the most important thing on this video is selecting out and selecting a specific row or column. So as you can see, when I don't tap out on my keyboard, it will automatically highlight everything. But when we use alt on our keyboard, it will only highlight the column or row that we just selected, and we could just simply copy it on a specific row or column by pressing the alt again. There you go. See ya.